Hey everybody, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys a brand new 8.5 20 we just got on the ground. This is a 2018 Cargo Craft Dragster, 8.5 by 20. It's got some great features on it. This one has a big, huge extended tongue. This is a 4 or 5 foot extended tongue, which is going to be great for turning radiuses, especially if you guys want to pull this behind a Class A motorhome or you need to get it in and out of tight spots. And again, triple tube 6-inch frame, diamond plate rock guard along the bottom, polished aluminum corners, and a rounded front cap, which is an upgraded feature. I apologize, the trailer's a little dirty. Literally, we just got it in, but it's a nice trailer and I wanted to get it out there. This side door does come with the overhead gutter. You also have an RV lock and a cam bar, so double lock protection on that side door. 250-200-pound torsion spread axles with brakes. You also have the black aluminum wheels. This torsion spread axle setup is an optimal setup for towing. It gives you guys basically independent suspension underneath the trailer with the torsion axles, and then by taking that weight and distributing it and spreading that axle, it will cut down in any wagging and swaying that can occur when you guys are towing. So again, optimal setup right there. And rear ramp door does come with a spring assist close. It is easy to open and close the rear ramp door. You also have a diamond plate transition flap on this unit as well, so great for cars or if you guys need to roll things in and out of the trailer. This one also has a nice big side escape door slash awning door. You guys can see that right here. So if you need to pull cars in here or razors, you can use that to pull your car door open and be able to get in and out much easier. Plus it's just really cool. It gives you guys a little awning off the side of the trailer. LED strip tail lights. You do have a dovetail here at the rear, so nice transition coming in and out of the trailer as well. 4 D-rings in the floor. This one has a speckled floor on it. Get you guys a better closer look there. Finished vinyl ceiling with a roof vent. You've got 2 interior LED puck lights. These are really bright, efficient little lights. We love these little puck lights. 7-foot interior height, so you've got plenty of headroom here as well. Here's a better shot of your roof vent. Coming into the trailer, a couple more D-rings here at the front. And you have an interior step coming in and out of the side door, which is a great feature. A light switch, which is going to turn on and off your LED lights, but you also have a toggle switch on each one. So it's kind of nice, you can switch those both on or control them individually. And then the back side of that RV lock does give you a lock, a latch, and a set of keys. Payload capacity with this unit is about 6,400 pounds. And again, great trailer for the money, lots of features, and it looks super cool. So as always, give us a call, 303-688-8485, or check us out online, coloradotrailersinc.com, and be sure to like and subscribe.